In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom guides in Adobe Illustrator. Guides are incredibly useful when you're working on precise layouts, aligning objects, creating margins, or building structured designs like social media posts, flyers, or logos. If you've ever struggled with alignment or spacing, guides will completely change your workflow. The best part is they're super easy to create once you know where to look. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any helpful tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is to show your rulers, because guides are created directly from them. To quickly show rulers, press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that would be Command+R. As soon as you press that shortcut, you'll see rulers appear along the top and the left side of your document. If you prefer using the menu instead of shortcuts, you can go up to the top menu, click on View, then go down to Rulers and select Show Rulers. Either method works exactly the same. Once enabled, you'll notice measurement markings along both rulers. These reflect your document's unit settings, whether that's pixels, inches, millimeters, or another measurement type. If your rulers are showing the wrong units, you can right-click directly on a ruler and change the measurement system from there. Having rulers visible is essential, because this is where your guides will come from. Now that the rulers are visible, let's create a guide. To make a horizontal guide, move your cursor to the top ruler. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag downward into your artboard. As you drag, you'll see a line following your cursor. This is your guide preview. Position it exactly where you want it, then release your mouse. That's it, you've created a horizontal guide. If you want to create a vertical guide instead, go to the left ruler. Click and drag from the left side into your artboard. Move it to your desired position and release. Now you have a vertical guide. You can use these guides to align text, shapes, images, or any design elements with precision. If you need to reposition a guide, simply click on it using the selection tool and drag it to a new location. If you can't move it, your guides may be locked. To unlock them, go to View and make sure Lock Guides is unchecked. Once unlocked, you can freely adjust them. Guides won't appear in your final exported file, so they're purely for layout assistance. You can also remove a guide by clicking on it and pressing Delete on your keyboard. And that's how you create custom guides in Illustrator. First, enable your rulers using Ctrl or Command+R. Then click and drag from the top ruler for horizontal guides or from the left ruler for vertical guides. Simple, fast, and extremely powerful for improving your design accuracy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.